about how to manage your email efficiently through labeling, stars, folders, vacation responses, and your email signature. First, start with labeling. Go through Gmail and create labels to organize your emails by category, like clients, projects, or tasks. This helps you quickly find what you need without scrolling endlessly through your inbox. Next, we have stars. Use stars to highlight important messages. Just click the star icon beside an email to mark it for follow-up or priority. Now let's move to folders. Folders help group related emails together. Think of them as digital drawers. Keep work, personal, and VA-related emails neatly separated. Then there's the vacation response. When you're away or taking a break, set up an automatic reply. Go to Setting, see all settings, out of Office, auto reply. Type your message, include your return date, and let your contacts know when you'll be back.